Nation.
Hey guys, welcome back
to another exciting episode
of the Jamerody. We are on a roll here.
Get the motor out.
We're gonna rip this thing apart in this episode.
In this episode.
I think we can promise it. Can we promise it?
I don't make promises. I just do it every other week.
Let's just give it a try. You guys ready? Here we go.
Yeah, this one's a quality one. Someone wanted me to buy this one. Yeah. I can't even rip it off if I wanted to. Ooh. That's some quality marksmanship there, boy. Ford really...
You're really out of breath? Oh, there we go. There goes one
Finally
piece.
Got some satisfaction.
Hey, Ryan.
What's up?
Hey, buddy. What you got going on in here?
Oh, lovely. Nothing.
Are you working on trying to get that harness?
Yep.
Pulled through?
That's the hope.
Yeah?
There's this knee brake that's in the way.
Really?
Not anymore, though.
Oh, wow. Ryan?
What happened was...
What's going on? You're here.
Oh, nothing to see here. Huh? What's up, Nation? We gotta remove the old Coyote.
The moment we've been waiting for, right, Ryan?
Yes.
I'm really excited about it. Very excited about it.
We've been dolling around with you guys and playing with your emotions and manipulating you because that's what they say we have to do to get you a view.
And weeks, and weeks, and weeks, and weeks, and weeks, and we've realized that this is what you want to see. It's gonna be awesome. So the big picture is we're gonna pull this thing up with the gantry. We're gonna slide the frame out. We're gonna pull the other frame in and put it down and lock it in place. And that should be this episode.
So we gotta disconnect exhaust, disconnect tranny mount, disconnect body mounts, make sure fuel lines are disconnected, and that's really it. Oh, and your friend, the starter.
So, all right, well, let's get to it, Ryan.
Yeah, let's do it.
Good.
Yeah, go team, go!
Ryan doesn't want to talk.
No.
Ryan, are you just barely holding it together, buddy?
I'm doing everything I can to not lose my temper today.
You're doing a good job.
Yeah, because last week
Did you CBD it?
No, I should have. Naked Warrior, check him out, guys. Naked Warrior, former Navy SEAL. He's got a great line of CBD products, recovery products. Check him out.
Why don't you go inside and then come back?
Use, I think it's Your Welder as your promo code.
Yeah, sweet. So tell me, Ryan, we've been struggling with the starter. We've been told it's a pain in the neck.
Yeah, well, I mean,
And getting this top bolt is almost impossible.
Yeah.
So far, it has been impossible. We haven't actually accomplished anything.
no.
But we're thinking about trying a different route, which is what we talked about a few days ago, which was
Just unbolting the bottom of the mounter mount.
unbolt the bottom of the motor mount and just bring it up with the engine. So it sounds like that's what we're gonna do, right?
That's what we're going to
All right, so we're gonna unhook a couple fuel lines and get those disconnected. And then we got 3 bolts on the back of the transmission back in here. I'll show everybody those. Right here, there's just 3 that go through there. They're all
Yep.
And then those motor mounts, and we'll see.
We'll see what happens. Well, we're to the part where we have to go to the part store. So if you guys know anything about these Coyote motors, the way they're designed, they're smooth bottom, fat top. So they got like a mushroom top on them. And they're plastic valve covers. And so if you pull against the plastic, right, because if you think about it, you're going to be pulling up like this. You pull against the plastic, it usually breaks it. So what we're doing is we got these cables wrapped around the exhaust manifolds, and we're going to bring them out to here on our T that we built on each side, and then we're going to lift basically in the center on that and on the rear. So everything will be lifting simultaneously. Nothing in theory should create a pinch point. But we got to run to the depot to get what we need to get these tight. So
Sounds good, Ryan. Let's go spend some money. A little bit.
got it loose. So now it's just a matter of is it going to come off.
I know, right? So
All right, guys, so we went and got our little cable ends here, and we got these hose clamps to keep it from sliding towards the valve covers, like we said, because again, if you see how we're doing it down here through the cables, again, there's really no great way to lift a Coyote unless you buy the $80 kit and you remove your intake manifold and you lift it. We ain't doing all that. So we got a Jimmy. We got a
But this is
this is a Hucklebuck.
If this works,
it's a Hucklebuck.
It's gonna be pretty awesome, really.
And we'll sell you the kit for $60 instead of 80. Sell it to you for 60. So
she is sagging a little bit, but that's probably my only concern. As you can see how the bar's going down on both sides. That's why we have the bar on the inside.
Yeah, we got a sleeve in there. I guess we'll find out here shortly.
right, ladies and gentlemen, then there you have it. Piece of cake. And look, that bolt right there that was so difficult to get to.
It's about to get to.
Piece of cake also. But I generally don't think you pull the entire engine to change the starter, right?
No, that's the new Ford way. The new Ford.
You want the starter out. You have to do this first. I don't think that works that way. But it looks like our little unit here, we're doing pretty good. Nice. All right, guys, here we go. We get this motor mount on here from Outcast.
Kyle Howard.
We're gonna put a link to him in our description below, guys, but
freaking amazing work.
These are really nice. These are really, really nice. I'm very happy that we bought these. So, they have a lot of play. You can see here, that's good this way. You can see they're adjustable, which is pretty awesome. The problem is that you gotta, I'm assuming, we gotta get it in the right spot and we'll mark it. We'll have to lift it back up, take these off, tighten these down, and then reinstall it. That's the only bummer about it. Not sure what else to do about it. Whoa, and there we have it, Ryan. Dun, 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 dun. After promising the Coyote install for multiple episodes,
yeah,
this baby is in there.
She's in her home for now, anyway.
I'm a little concerned about you spilling all this water on the ground.
I wish we had a bucket, you know?
Do you really?
I wish.
You know what I wish we had?
A bucket.
Some oil dry.
Oh, Christ. I wonder where she is.
I mean, if we had oil dry, we'd be set.
We could just move some over.
So, what's kind of the plan right here, bro?
I'm gonna trip on this first.
Okay.
And then, the plan now is basically to ratchet strap the transmission up so that the weight is off the transmission.
Yep.
And then we're gonna push her in the garage and call it for the day. And,
nice.
Yeah, and start again next week.
Sweet. I'm pretty pumped about this.
Yeah, this is the encouraging moment.
Yeah. You kind of needed this, didn't you, Ryan?
I've been wanting this for a while. So.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's get it kind of locked in place. Put it in the garage. On to the next thing.
finally made the Jammer Odie. An Odie.
Odied.
Pretty freaking awesome.
I love it. I love it. I'm really excited. We got a few things to do after this, right?
Yeah, a lot, really. But
Like a
it's in the
million
hole.
things.
It's in the hole.
I know, we're excited about this part.
Yeah.
We're gonna get rid of some junk.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna move on to finalizing this, put our rear transmission support in,
Yeah.
and start working on a rear end.
And that's pretty much it. And on that note,
Thanks for watching.
we'll see you next time.
Absolutely.
Jammer Nation!